What happens when brilliant engineering meets everyday tools? You get machines that cut faster, work smarter, and make difficult jobs look ridiculously easy. Today, we're checking out 20 new tools that are seriously changing the game. The Ryobi Microtech Electric Precision Screwdriver delivers up to 0.2 Newton-meters of controlled torque for delicate repairs. With 50-plus accessories, 2 power modes, manual control, LED lighting, USB-C charging, and built-in bit storage, it's designed for precise work on electronics and small fasteners. Say goodbye to sore, tired wrists. This 40-volt XGT beast packs dual brushless motors, blazing through 1.6mm wire with serious tying strength. Dial in your tying tension, reload reels in one step, shrug off water, then grab the extension handle for extra control, efficiency, and all-day comfort. Cutting through resistance? Not on Efficut's watch. These blades power cordless circular saws with faster, cleaner cuts, thanks to sharp, specialized tips that clear chips like a champ. Less battery drain, less tool wear, more runtime. Wood, metal, composite, aluminum. This blade handles it all. The M18 Fuel 10 and 1/4 inch. Rear handle circular saw delivers powerful cutting with a 3 13/16 inch depth at 90 degrees. Its lightweight design, advanced kickback protection, electronic controls, LED light, and magnesium construction provide excellent capacity, durability, and reduced fatigue for demanding professional applications. Mud, rain, chaos? Smartstairs laughs in the face of sketchy footing. Wide grip strut steps grip like a champ on wet, muddy ground, giving crews safe, reusable access anywhere. This modular marvel installs fast, adjusts to any height, and relocates in a snap, boosting mobility while slashing waste. The 20-volt cordless drill delivers up to 35 Newton-meters of torque with 2-speed control and 15+1 clutch settings. Its 10mm chuck, LED work light, battery indicator, 2.0 amp-hour batteries, and fast charger provide reliable performance for drilling, fastening, and everyday workshop, maintenance, and DIY projects. Say hello to your new lifting sidekick. TSZ Concrete. Step handles, grip steps, and curbstones with rock-solid confidence. Adjustable width, automatic release, tough rubber seals, and galvanized muscle. Built for cranes and lifting equipment, they deliver safe, rock-steady handling every single time. No drama included. The Welding Table Fixturing Kit provides versatile support for precise metal fabrication. It includes a magnetic torch holder, V-blocks for positioning round tubing, stackable riser stops for larger materials, and squaring pins for tube and plate. The secure system prevents movement, improving alignment, stability, and weld quality during fabrication work. The slip roller forms smooth curves, cones, and cylinders in materials from 12 to 51 inches wide. Its hardened steel gears, adjustable lower roll, removable top roller, and wire grooves provide versatile, precise shaping for steel, aluminum, decorative iron, and round bar materials with reliable manual operation and easy adjustment. No belts, no fuss. The HOLZMANN pillar drill dials in continuously variable speed at the twist of a knob, perfect for wood or metal. An integrated centering laser and LED work light nail precision every time, all wrapped in a rugged build, ready for your toughest DIY projects. Ultra Shear Finger Grip. Groove bits create deep, ergonomic finger grooves with a natural parabolic shape. Bearing-controlled depth works on curved and square boards, while two bearing sizes provide different cutting depths. The larger bearing can also enable 2-pass cuts in dense woods for cleaner, precise, controlled woodworking results overall. The T-RAXX Taping Tool. RAXX system securely organizes automatic taping and finishing tools, keeping accessories and parts accessible throughout the job site. Compatible with Flex Stack Pack and Track Lock systems, it easily moves between workshops, vans, and rolling toolboxes while reducing clutter and protecting valuable tools. The Woken brushless rotary hammer delivers 2.8 joules of impact energy with 4 modes for drilling and chiseling. Its SDS Plus chuck, 26 mm concrete capacity, LED work light, and ergonomic grip provide reliable performance. It includes chisels and drill bits, while the tool-only design allows users to choose their preferred battery and charger. The Total Cordless Impact Wrench delivers up to 650 Nm of fastening torque and 800 Nm of breakaway torque. Its brushless motor, 3 speed settings, 1/2-inch square drive, and built-in LED light provide powerful, versatile performance for automotive, construction, and equipment fastening applications. The Ryobi USB Lithium Handheld Fan provides up to 17 hours of cooling with a versatile design that works handheld, tabletop, or on the go. Flexible blades, auto-stop protection, USB-C charging, device charging, and quick-swap batteries make it a convenient everyday cooling solution. The Windscreen Repair Kit provides an easy solution for repairing minor chips and cracks before they spread. Its tough resin fills damaged areas, while the included ultraviolet light quickly cures the repair. The kit includes a repair pedestal, injector syringe, razor blade, cleaning cloth, curing films, push pin, and instruction manual for convenient use. Milescraft handheld router jigs make challenging routing tasks easier and more precise. The circle guide, edge and mortise guide, and corner cut provide repeatable cuts, while the interchangeable turn-lock base allows quick switching between jigs for greater versatility and control. The manual punch press features a heavy-duty welded steel frame that minimizes flexing under maximum loads. Its 30-inch handle transfers force directly to the ram, delivering 3 tons of punching capacity with a 12-inch throat depth, a 7.5-inch throat height. Tooling adapter and die mounting plate provide versatility for various metalworking applications and fabrication tasks. The Marshalltown Woody Margin Trowel features a slim, flat-nosed design for spreading mortar and tile adhesive in tight spaces. Its high-carbon steel blade is forged, tempered, ground, and polished for durability and flexibility, with a classic hardwood handle for comfortable control. The Rikon heavy-duty expanding bed lathe features a motorized sliding bed that expands turning capacity from 20 to 40 inches. Its 3-horsepower motor, digital speed control, 36-position indexing, solid cast-iron construction, and wide tool rest provide powerful, precise performance for large bowls, platters, and spindles. From clever designs to machines that look like they belong in the future, these tools prove there's always a better way to get the job done. Which one would you add to your toolbox?